Alright, so tonight we are just going to go for a little informal walk away from the house. It was really hot today. I think it was like 98 degrees today. So it is now about 8 p.m. and it is cooling down, but it is still warm and it is very humid. But it actually feels pretty comfortable. And once I turn on that headlamp and start spotlighting stuff in the trees and that, I forget all about the temperature. So we're going to take a little informal walk and see what we can find. It rained yesterday, so frogs were out. I don't know if they'll be out tonight or not, but we're going to go take a look and see what we can find. Come on. Hurry, take the camera. Ooh boy, that is a big krait. Holy cow. That is a monster. You guys, look at the size of that. Wow. I'm checking it to see. Okay, this is a boy. I was hoping for a gravid girl. Careful, Apple. You guys, this is a big, big krait. Holy crap. What is that, about a good 5 feet? Man, oh man, that's amazing. So our casual walk turned into quite an amazing adventure. Sunbeams, Sicilian, puffface, and scorpions, and toads and frogs, and now this rather large specimen of banded krait. You just never know out here, you guys. What a surprise. What an amazing surprise. That is a big one. Wow. You guys, this is a very, very big banded krait. It is very, very heavy. I want to say that this snake probably weighs, I'm just guessing, about 15 pounds. Very thick and heavy bodied. It might even be more than that. I'm not sure. I would say every bit of 5 feet. And man, that is big. Big and healthy, robust. I don't see any marks on this animal. Beautiful, beautiful specimen. And I am going to let it go over here, right at the tree stump where I found it. Right there. Amazing. Alright you guys, we are almost back to the house, and one last little treat for the night. Boiga cyanea, green cat snake. And I think with this I am going to close this evening's trek. I don't think we're going to be finding any more snakes because our house is right back there where the lights are on. But what a productive night. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. So I'm going to let this snake go over here, probably where it's a lot more comfortable. Well, you guys, I lied. In my very own driveway, I have a water snake. This was a really crazy night. That's it, I promise. Unless I see more snakes on the way to the front door.